Welcome to HomePan Tri-Pro. Today, we're diving deep into a kitchen essential that promises to elevate your everyday cooking, the Kirecoo Tri-Ply stainless steel 12-inch frying pan. If you're in the market for a durable, versatile, and healthier alternative to traditional non-stick cookware, then stick around. We've put this skillet through its paces, and we're ready to share everything you need to know. First off, let's talk about what makes this pan stand out. Kirecoo emphasizes its premium material, and it's easy to see why. The interior is crafted from 18/10 stainless steel, which is a fantastic choice for any kitchen. This material is non-reactive, meaning it won't interfere with the natural flavors of your food, preserving that delicious taste you're aiming for in your daily meals. Crucially, it's PFAS-free and contains no harmful chemicals, making it a safe and healthy option for your family. This is a significant selling point for anyone looking to move away from Teflon or ceramic-coated pans that can degrade over time and potentially release unwanted substances. The fact that it's a non-coated surface is a big win for health-conscious cooks. Now, let's get into the construction, because that's where the Tri-Ply comes into play. This isn't just a single layer of metal. It's engineered with a high-performance 3-ply structure. That means you have the 18/10 stainless steel on the inside, an aluminum core in the middle, and a magnetic base on the outside. This layered approach is key to superior cooking performance. The aluminum core is fantastic for exceptional heat distribution and rapid heating. You won't have those annoying hot spots where food burns in one area while remaining undercooked in another. Plus, this construction makes the pan resistant to corrosion and deformation, meaning it's built to last. And for comfort, the ergonomic handle is designed for a secure, comfortable grip. A neat feature here is the detachable handle, which allows for easy installation and, importantly for smaller kitchens, compact storage. One of the biggest hurdles for many when it comes to stainless steel pans is achieving that natural non-stick performance. Kirecoo addresses this by explaining that even heating and excellent heat retention are crucial. They recommend medium to medium-high heat as optimal for most cooking. The key, they say, is preheating the pan thoroughly. For beginners, they even suggest the water drop test. Sprinkle a few drops of water into the pan. If they form beads that roll freely without evaporating, your pan is perfectly preheated. Once preheated, add your oil. When the oil shimmers slightly, that's your cue to add your food. This technique is what allows you to achieve that natural non-stick effect without relying on chemical coatings. It takes a little practice, but once you get the hang of it, you'll be searing and sautéing like a pro. The versatility of this Kirecoo skillet is another major plus. It's designed to excel at a wide array of cooking techniques. Whether you're frying eggs, stir-frying vegetables, searing a steak, sautéing mushrooms, or even baking a frittata, this pan can handle it. It delivers excellent results for cooking steaks, chops, burgers, fish, sauces, vegetables, potatoes, rice, and pretty much anything else you can think of. This adaptability makes it a true workhorse in the kitchen, capable of handling many different culinary tasks. Finally, let's touch on stovetop compatibility and care. This Kirecoo stainless steel pan is universally compatible. It works on most stovetop types, including induction, gas, electric, and ceramic. That's excellent news for anyone with a specific cooktop. Furthermore, it's dishwasher safe, which is a huge convenience for cleanup. And for those recipes that require a finish in the oven, this pan is oven safe up to a respectable 400 degrees Fahrenheit, or 204 degrees Celsius. So, let's summarize the pros and cons. On the pro side, we have the premium 18/10 stainless steel interior, which is healthy and preserves food flavor. The durable Tri-Ply construction ensures even heating and longevity. It's incredibly versatile for various cooking methods and stovetops, and it's both dishwasher and oven safe. The detachable handle is a clever touch for storage. On the con side, the primary challenge is learning the proper preheating technique to achieve natural non-stick performance. It's not a set-it-and-forget-it non-stick pan out of the box, and it requires a bit of user education. Also, while it's oven safe to 400 degrees, some might prefer higher oven-safe temperatures depending on their baking needs. Overall, the Kirecoo Tri-Ply stainless steel 12-inch frying pan is a robust and well-constructed piece of cookware. If you're willing to invest a little time in learning how to use stainless steel effectively, you'll be rewarded with a healthy, durable, and highly capable skillet that can handle almost any cooking task. It's a fantastic investment for anyone looking to build a long-lasting and healthier kitchen. Link in the description.